Master chefs pick and mix the best ingredients to add that little je ne sais quoi flavor to traditional recipes. Likewise, managers of sustainable and responsible investment funds apply a variety of special approaches and filters prior to investing in the financial markets. Investors usually fall into one of three categories. The first comprises those who exclude companies operating in controversial activity sectors like firearms or alcohol. These firms are said to apply an exclusion approach. The second group invests only in companies that comply with the principles of the United Nations Global Compact. This means that they respect human rights, combat corruption, apply labor law, and respect the environment. Managers in favor of this flavor are said to implement the norms-based approach. The third group invests in companies that are more proactive than their peers when it comes to meeting SRI challenges, irrespective of the sector in which they operate. These are managers that apply the best-in-class approach. Let's not forget either that certain managers base their investment selections on a combination of all three methods. More and more savers are opting for this type of investment. What about you? You in?